Hello guys, hello, welcome to session 42.
42, yes. Hello, my gorgeous students. Welcome to class.
So new, girl
Yeah,
gorgeous.
that's right. Okay, welcome to the class. Today we want to talk about the grammar. It's about information questions. As you can see, we have a chart here. This chart talks about some questions. We talked about yes-no questions. For example, are you from America? It's a yes-no question. Here we have some information questions. Now, we want to listen to the audio and practice the questions. So let's listen together. Let's listen.
Grammar. Information questions with B. You.
How are you? I'm fine. Where are you from? I'm from Florida. How old are you? I'm 23.
He. She. It.
Who's this? It's my grandmother. Where's she from? She's from Texas. What's she like? She's very smart.
They.
How are your parents? They're fine, thanks. Where are they today? They're at home. What are their names? Their names are Linda and Carlos.
All right. So as I said, these are information questions with different subjects. You, he, she, it, and they. Now, let's go back to the board. This is the format for information questions. First of all, we use the question word. What is a question word? Words like what, how, who, where. These are question words. Next part is the verb be. For example, for you, we say are. Where are you from? For he, she, it, we can use is or the contraction form. And for they, again, we use are.
Are.
Is that okay?
Yeah?
Well, let's move on to the next part. So these are the list of information questions. How, for example, how old are your grandparents? Or where? Can you tell me a question with where?
Where are you from?
Exactly. Where are you from? How old?
How old is she?
How old is she? Who?
Who's he? Who's this?
Who's this? And what?
Uh, what's your name?
Yes, what's your name? Okay.
Yeah.
So for contractions or the short forms, you can say whose, who is.
Yeah.
There's, there is.
Where is?
What's, what is. These are contractions. It means short forms or contractions. Contractions. All right. Let's move on to the next part. I want to write down some questions for you. Please look at the questions and try to complete them. Number one. What is it?
How are your parents?
Yes. How are your parents? How are your parents? Number two.
Where is Linda from?
Excellent. Yes. Where is Linda from? Linda is a she. Where is Linda from? Number three.
How old are you?
Very good. How old are you? And four.
What's she like?
Yes. What's she like? Or what is she like? Do you know the meaning of this question? Number four. What's she like?
What is she like?
What is she like? When we ask this question, it means we want to ask about personality. Like, what is she like? Is she friendly? Is she outgoing? Is she shy? So this is about personality. This question is about personality. What is your sister like? My sister is very outgoing. What is your father like? My father is smart. What is your friend like? My friend is lazy. So this question is about personality. Be careful. Okay, let's move back to the book. We have these sentences. Let's complete them. Your, our, parents, how. You need to unscramble. How are your parents? Number two, please.
What are your parents' name?
That's right. What are your parents? Three.
Number three. How old is your father? Number four. What's your mother like? Number five. Where is your mother today? Number six. Where are your grandparents from? Number seven. Who's your favorite aunt?
Yes. Who's your favorite aunt? Excellent. So these are the questions. and the answers. You can check them if you want. Okay, so we want to choose one of these questions and ask each other. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to ask you number 5. Where's your mother today?
She's at home.
At home. You ask me one of these questions, please.
How old is your father?
My father is 64 years old.
Okay.
Okay. This one. Who's your favorite aunt or aunt?
She's lazy. She's sister of mom. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
She's 61 years old.
Good. 61. Okay, that's good. Well, you ask me one.
How are your parents?
They are okay. They are okay. They are very good and healthy.
Okay.
Okay, well, now at the end of this video, let's choose one of these questions and ask the viewers and they can comment for us. Which question do you think is good?
What's your mother like? Because mother is so beautiful in the world.
That's right. Yeah, mothers are very good. So let's ask this question. What is your mother like? Please comment for us in the comment section. So for example, for me, my mom is very kind and a very good person. I love her so much. What's your mother like? Please answer in the comment section and thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Bye.